Come back. Okay, we got it. Oh, look at that, guys. 125 on a 1 cent denom. Wow, nice. I needed it. So we got about 200, guys. Let's fill her up. Just try it real quick. Okay, we're doing $10 bet. It's just not working, guys. Okay. I only got 7. It's being tough, guys. Let's do 5 and see what happens. No, it's not doing it. Come on. Okay, wow. Just last minute. Down to $15. But at least we're gonna have 250. But it's only a 1 cent denom, guys. Ouch. That's something. 32. Let's retrigger, baby. Let's retrigger. Come on now. Come on. Where are they? Oh, we want those. I wasn't able to get the balls yesterday either. That's it, guys. 32. Darn it. What do we got in? Yep, it wasn't doing the balls at all. Interesting. Go to 5. Come back. Okay, we got it. Oh, look at that, guys. 125 on a 1 cent denom. Wow, nice. I needed it. So we got about 200, guys. Let's fill her up. The minor is 50. Hey, that's gorgeous. 125 and 37. 50. Beautiful.
Try and stop those.
Let him play. Let him play. Sometimes I touch it. Okay, that's good. Uh-oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'm filming right now, so. Okay, here we go. Come on, let's go. Oh, did you see that minor? That's it, guys. I think that's very good. I'll take it. Here we go. Come on, baby. Go. Nice. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Wow. Okay, so I'm 250. 250 is a good bet. All right, we'll take it. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Thank you. Okay. So it came out of the blue. Let's see if we can do it again, guys. Let's go up to 5. So we got our 5 back. It'd be nice if we could do it again, right? Let's take it back. We want those, right? That was gorgeous. Take it down now. Okay, well it's starting to hit. Let's hope it keeps going. Come on. We're at Angels of the Wind. Oh, we want one more of those. Come on. Let's go to 250. We're going to move up more. Try 5. Doesn't look like it. Try 10 once. We would love to hit our 10. Got 15, and then let's see if I get another. One more. Let's go. One more 10. No, it's not going to do it, guys. 3. All right, let's take it back down to 1. 250 is where I had that good one. I don't know if we'll get it again there. That was gorgeous. Come on now. Do 5 once. We're trying to see if we can hit again. It just is almost impossible. We want those. Come on. Nope. 250. Let's try it. Let's try the dollar. You know what's going on at the dollar. Look at that, guys. I want that minor. That mini is gorgeous. Can we get it? Can We got it. Okay, that's on $1. $5 bet, dollar denom. Come on. Come on, guys. Give me that right there, right there, right there. Or, of course, we'll take the grand. Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Okay. Something amazing. Give me the balls. Come on now. Oh, it doesn't look good. Darn it. Oh, too bad. 2 more to go. Can we do it? Oh boy. Whoa. Nothing, guys. We got, oh, nothing. That was horrible. Try $5 again. Just real quick. Oh, it doesn't match up. Oh boy. Oh, we got it again. Okay. Here we go. Come on, let's do better than $14. Come on, you know you can do that. 14. Come on, we want that minor. Okay, that's pretty. 32. Oh, we want all those. I prefer the balls over the twos. Or the, what do you call them? Come on, re-trigger. One more. Okay. We got 136. That's better. Alright, we're trying it again. We want them to give us those volcanoes. Come on, babe. All the tikis in the middle. Or all of those. I don't know if we'll get them again, guys. Come on, 2 more. Come on. Alright, let's go to 10 once. Nope. Alright, now we're going to do $2. We're going to try 10 a couple of times. Doesn't look good. 1 more. Oh no, that's horrible. Okay. We're down to 5. Trying 10 cents. It's not doing it. Okay guys, let's go to $1. I got in twice at $1 denom. But it wasn't huge. We got $50 there. That's something. I think it may be one of the other ones hitting. Okay, let's see. 10. Okay, come on, do it again. 1 more, please. 1 more, baby. Alright, we're going to take it down. It hit on 250 on 1 cent earlier. Let's see if we can get it. Come on, 1 more, baby. Go to 5. Come on. Give us 5. Not doing it. We're doing $1 denom again. We're just hoping that those volcanoes show up. Go to 10. Let's try 1 time. It's not doing it, guys. I think we're done. Come on, we got 10. Let's do another good one. Come on, 1 more. Come on. Oh, too bad. Okay, let's go to 10. 250. Oh, look at those volcanoes. $5. I think we gotta move down. Let's go to 751. I'm back at Tiki Fire, just doing a 1 penny, 150. And my memory is full, so I can't go too much longer. Let's try 250. We really would like to have some orbs. I had some beautiful orbs earlier, and now it just eats it up. Try 5. 1 more 5. Oh, the minor. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's try $1. Come on, we're trying. at that. Yay. It shook. I love you. 325. I had a feeling about this, my dears. How are you, my dear friends? And I love all my subscribers. You are the best. I have the very best subscribers. Was that cool? Man, I hope it's big, big, big. I want a jackpot, don't you? Usually when you get that on 5, the minimum you'll get is $500. So let's see, but a lot of times you get a jackpot. We want a jackpot. Oh yeah, let's do it. That is gorgeous. I've never hit 5 before on this. Uh-oh, nothing's okay. Being naughty, that's okay. We're excited. Give me 2. All right, we got 20 more to go. That was so cool. I would love a re-trigger. I think I deserve it, don't you? Oh, nice. We got it. We got jacks. Oh, we got kings. Kings and jacks. Guys, that's 172. Lovely. We're going to go up now. Okay, so we got 500 already and we got 20. I think we're going to have a jackpot or just under it. Look at my beautiful dragon. Hello. Hello, Brutus. Come on now. Here we go. Oh, nice. 100. Oh, nothing fancy. We got 100. Okay, we're going to come down now, but I got 600, guys. I think maybe we might do one more. I think we might do a little better. I feel it, don't you? Where is those 3 coins and a dragon? All right, we got $18. Thank you. We know we're going to get above 700. How much more do you think I might make? One more. Okay, nothing. 750, it's okay. 750 is another spin. $12. We have 14 left. Give us 2 more dragons, honey. That was so cool. I haven't hit this. Oh, there we go. 550. I have not hit the shake and bake. I call it shaky, for at least the last 3 times, I think. Come on. All right. Just $12. We'll take it so we're above. I think we're going to get we might get a jackpot. Hey, how many of you think I might get a jackpot? Let's guess what you think I'm going to get. Oh yeah, we want 2 dragons and everything to match. And of course, the kings. All right, let's see if we can get up to 800 at least. Come on, there's something. All right, come on now. Let's matchy match. Match. We got it. That's good, guys. Oh, beautiful. Did you see the aces? $300, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, now. Let's see if we can get a big one. Come on now. Come on, baby. Go. Get me a big one. Match. Another one. Okay, we got the queens. 637. I got a jackpot. Woo, baby. Look at him. Hi, baby. Look at this guy. 637. We got ourselves a nice hand peg. I would like to do it one more time. What do you think? I would love to get 6 of those dragons at one time with the kings. Oh my God, that'd be giant. Come on. 1,600, babe. Oh God, I love it when it shakes like that. One more. That's it, everybody. I got a jackpot. Let's do it. Thumbs up, everybody. Help me out. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. It's so good to see you. Hey, this is where we first met.
Exactly, right here.
Was that a year ago?
That was about a year ago.
A year ago. Are we going to win tonight?
Win. Let's get some hand pays right here.
Yes, my dear.
Woo-hoo, baby.
All right. So we hit 15 on 10. It's not doing very well, guys. So 12. We really need it to give us something. Look at that. I haven't been able to, get back in. Come on, let's go. One more. 1, 5. Not good. Go back to 1. Okay, I think we're done, guys.